In this video, I will go over a ton of entertaining things about elephants. Let's go. Elephants' tusks are far more than striking physical features. They are actually elongated incisor teeth that continue to grow steadily throughout an elephant's entire life, reflecting both the animal's age and overall health. These impressive natural tools serve a wide range of critical purposes that are essential to survival in the wild. Elephants use their tusks to dig deep into the ground in search of water during dry seasons, pry bark from trees to access nutrient-rich food, lift or move heavy branches and obstacles, and even defend themselves or their young from predators and rival elephants. Made of ivory, one of the densest and most durable biological materials, tusks are unfortunately a major reason elephants have been targeted by poachers. Yet, in their natural habitats, these remarkable structures are indispensable for day-to-day survival. Interestingly, there are differences between species. Both male and female African elephants can grow tusks, though size and length may vary, while in Asian elephants, typically only the males develop large, prominent tusks, with females often sporting much smaller ones or none at all. Beyond these practical uses, tusks play a subtle but important role in elephant social life. They can be used to display strength, assert dominance, or even engage in gentle interactions, such as interlocking tusks during playful sparring or bonding rituals within a herd. This multifaceted combination of practical utility, social signaling, and evolutionary importance highlights just how extraordinary and essential tusks are, underscoring the incredible adaptability and intelligence of these majestic, gentle giants. This highlights their remarkable adaptability and intelligence, just as their large ears serve vital functions beyond mere appearance. Elephants' large ears are among their most distinctive and fascinating features, serving purposes that go far beyond mere aesthetics. These enormous fan-like appendages function as highly efficient natural cooling systems, which are vital for helping elephants survive in the intense heat of their natural habitats. A network of blood vessels runs just beneath the thin skin of their ears, and when elephants flap them, they increase blood circulation and release excess body heat, effectively lowering their overall body temperature. This thermoregulatory function is especially crucial in the hot savannas and forests where elephants live, allowing them to remain active and healthy despite high temperatures. Beyond cooling, their ears also play a significant role in hearing, amplifying sounds and helping elephants detect distant noises that might indicate food, water, predators, or even other elephant herds. Elephants communicate with each other using low-frequency rumbles that can travel several kilometers, and their large ears help in both producing and sensing these vibrations, making them essential tools for social interaction. The size and shape of an elephant's ears also vary between species and reflect adaptations to their environment. African elephants have broad, fan-shaped ears that resemble the continent of Africa, which help dissipate heat over a larger surface area, while Asian elephants have smaller, more rounded ears suited to the slightly cooler and forested regions they inhabit. In addition to these practical functions, ears serve as expressive social signals capable of conveying mood and intention. Ears may flare wide to indicate aggression, excitement, or alertness, or fold back to signal calmness, submission, or relaxation. This remarkable combination of thermoregulation, enhanced sensory perception, and emotional expression highlights just how essential these impressive ears are, not only to an elephant's survival, but also to their complex social lives and interactions within their herds. This shows how vital their ears are, while their enormous size is another defining feature that inspires awe. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and their enormous size is one of their most remarkable and defining features, inspiring both awe and respect in those who encounter them. Adult African elephants can weigh as much as 12,000 pounds and stand nearly 13 feet tall at the shoulder, making them true giants of the animal kingdom, while Asian elephants, though slightly smaller, can still reach impressive dimensions that highlight their strength and adaptability. Their massive bodies are supported by thick, pillar-like legs and an exceptionally strong skeleton designed to carry tremendous weight, allowing them to traverse long distances in search of food, water, and suitable habitats. This extraordinary size provides elephants with numerous survival advantages. It deters almost all predators, allows them to push over trees and access foliage that smaller animals cannot reach, and enables them to store and process large amounts of food and water within their digestive systems, sustaining them through periods of scarcity. Despite their enormous bulk, elephants exhibit surprising agility, capable of delicate movements such as precise trunk manipulations, careful handling of objects, or coordinated interactions within their herd, which require balance, strength, and intelligence. Their impressive stature also influences social dynamics, as larger, older elephants often take leadership roles, guide herd movements, and maintain order, while their size and strength can determine dominance hierarchies, access to mates, and interactions with other herds. Additionally, an elephant's size plays a role in shaping the ecosystems they inhabit, as their feeding and migratory behaviors create pathways in forests, open grasslands, and waterholes, benefiting countless other species. Overall, an elephant's colossal build is more than a physical trait. It is a product of millions of years of evolution, combining strength, resilience, social influence, and environmental impact, solidifying their status as one of the most magnificent and influential creatures on the planet. Overall, an elephant's colossal build reflects millions of years of evolution, and their adaptability is seen in the wide range of habitats they occupy across Africa and Asia. Elephants are highly adaptable and intelligent creatures that inhabit a remarkable variety of environments across Africa and Asia, ranging from dense tropical forests and swampy wetlands to open savannas, grasslands, and even semi-arid deserts. African elephants are most commonly found in sub-Saharan regions, where they traverse vast expanses of savanna, scrubland, and forested areas in search of water, food, and mineral-rich soils that are essential for their health. These elephants are known to migrate seasonally, often covering dozens of miles each day to follow rainfall patterns and locate fresh vegetation. Asian elephants, in contrast, typically prefer tropical and subtropical forests, grasslands, and scrublands, thriving in regions with plentiful rainfall and dense foliage that provides both nourishment and protection from predators. An elephant's habitat is critical not only for sustaining their nutritional and hydration needs, but also for supporting complex social structures, long-distance migration routes, and reproductive behaviors, as suitable environments allow herds to maintain cohesion and raise their young safely. Water plays a central role in these habitats, with rivers, lakes, and seasonal wetlands serving as vital sources for drinking, bathing, and cooling down in hot weather, as well as sites for social interaction and play. Unfortunately, elephants face increasing threats from habitat loss due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, urban development, and infrastructure projects, which fragment their territories and force them into longer, more perilous journeys, sometimes bringing them into conflict with humans. Despite these challenges, elephants display extraordinary adaptability, altering their movement patterns, foraging strategies, and social behaviors to survive in changing landscapes. The wide range and diversity of their habitats not only reflect their resilience and intelligence, but also underscore the urgent need for conservation efforts, highlighting how protecting and restoring these environments is essential to ensuring the continued survival of these majestic and iconic giants. The wide range of their habitats reflects their resilience and intelligence, but survival also depends on their diet, as elephants are herbivores that consume a diverse range of plants. Elephants are herbivores with an incredibly diverse diet, consuming a wide range of plants to meet their massive nutritional needs. They feed on grasses, leaves, bark, roots, fruits, and even small branches, using their highly flexible trunks to pull, strip, and manipulate vegetation with precision. An adult elephant can eat between 200 and 600 pounds of food in a single day, depending on its size and the availability of resources, and they spend up to 16 hours daily foraging to sustain their enormous bodies. Their diet varies with the seasons and the ecosystems they inhabit. Savanna elephants may graze heavily on grasses during the wet season, and turn to bark and shrubs in the dry season, while forest-dwelling elephants may rely more on fruits, leaves, and roots. Elephants' feeding habits also play an important ecological role, as they help disperse seeds, shape vegetation patterns, and create clearings that benefit other animals. Their strong molars, which are replaced several times over their lifetime, allow them to grind tough plant material efficiently, ensuring they extract as many nutrients as possible from their food. This combination of dietary variety, ecological impact, and specialized adaptations makes elephants not only remarkable feeders, but also vital engineers of their ecosystems. In conclusion, elephants are remarkable creatures, known for their size, intelligence, and unique features like tusks, trunks, and ears. Their diets, habitats, and social behaviors show how well they adapt to diverse environments, while also playing a vital role in their ecosystems. Protecting these majestic giants and the lands they inhabit is essential to ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come.